Hello friends, let's understand how to assemble the kits of Tejas scale model kit. So every kit is designed by us is almost have the same kind of process of sanding and assembling. So for any kit you can follow the same process which will be explained today. So first thing is you have to open your kit and identify all your parts provided with the kits. Open the plan, spread all the parts provided on the plan. So this is wing, this is spine which will be fixed here afterwards. These are the air intakes. This will be fixing at the front of the intakes. This is main fuselage. This is vertical stabilizer, or we can also call it as a fin. These are the exhaust, engine exhaust, and these are the additional hinges which are provided in the kits, which we will be using for fixing at the bottom of the wing.